I've been producing Wajima nuri for 34 years. It just became part of my identity of who I am, but everything that I had dreamed of disappeared completely. And then I thought, my life is here, I belong here. The first time I saw Japanese lacquerware was when I was a university student in London. I just simply fell in love with the deep, rich beauty of the black lacquer. Wajima lacquerware is the most durable lacquerware in the whole of Japan. It's produced in Noto Hanto. It's just such a fascinating material, and it's alive. It's the living blood of a tree. It's a tree sap. On New Year's Eve, I went back to my studio in Wajima to gather up some tools when the earthquake hit. And then the ground opened up between my feet. My house, my business disappeared in that 50 seconds. It was important to me to stay in an area that does lacquerware. So I moved to Kanazawa. I'm slowly trying to pick up the pieces of that. Kanazawa is a fantastic city. It's a very traditional city, but it also hungers for modernization. The people here are extremely friendly, honest, and helpful. It's a real privilege to see another craftsman working, especially someone with such a deep knowledge of his craft and such a history. They love what they're doing. So I want to honor that.